Hey, I'm back. I'm still at Rocky Mountain National Park, and I'm here with my sister Kelly, and my cousin Chris. Upward we go. Kelly, you're coming? Yep, Kelly's behind me. Okay. This is kind of difficult. What is up here? There's another path. It's a hidden trail. Where are we going to? Yes.
Parkour.
Okay. We'll be okay.
Can we go up that?
I don't think we can. That's sad. That's slightly unfortunate.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin.
Hey, we're now on rocks. I want to go up there, but I don't think we can. Let's go back. It's a Kelly. It's a Chris. It's a me, Mario. We're getting back to civilization. Back to where there's 4G data.
Yeah.
I'm joking. We're not gonna get it. Why did we take this route? Of all routes we could have taken.
Oh, that's bad.
It's pretty awful. Let's cross go over. Okay. It's very rocky over here. Rocks, the beach, so they don't mix very well. But getting over there. I've already been there a few times, but I forgot to vlog it. Whatever. Falling. We are almost there. Over there it's really sandy, so that's a benefit. Mountains.